Hey there, welcome to day 5 of our Get Up and Go challenge. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with very little voice, so I'm going to try to get through this quickly. Yesterday we ranked in order of priority our different areas and aspects of our life, and mine came up physical. No surprise, since I've got a little bit of a cold right now. My physical well-being has to pop to the top of the list, and I have to take care of myself physically, or I don't have the energy or the ability to do anything else. So thinking about those 9 areas and aspects of our life that we talked about yesterday, we're going to go a little bit deeper on this today. And we are going to rate on a scale of 1 to 10 each area of our life and how we feel, think, see it right now. It's just a snapshot in time, kind of like a Polaroid picture, excuse me, of how we think, we feel about ourselves, how we see it, how we feel, how we think about each area and aspect of our life. Now again, these are so big categories. Physically, physical, for example, for me, even though I'm rating that a 4 because I feel under the weather, less than average with a cold. It entails not only that I have a cold, that I'm physically feeling under the weather, but my movement, my energy, my nutrition, my exercise, my vitamins, what I'm doing every day to get some activity or movement, how much water I'm consuming, how much sleep I'm getting, all the things that contribute to my physical well-being go into my rating of 1 to 10. So our tool today is rating. We take something that's subjective and hard to measure, and we give it a numeric value, kind of like, think of certain sports, or think of the Olympics, since we're just coming off the Olympics. Gymnastics, for example, is very subjective in terms of how it's judged. So they take, and everybody gives a score to the gymnast's performance on a scale of 1 to 10, and then they take the average of several people's opinions and judges to come up with the score for that thing. We're doing the same thing, but just with ourselves. We're looking at each area and aspect of our life, and we're saying on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being awesome, everything's perfect, exactly the way you want it to be, and 1 being, hey, I'm not where I want to be, I got some work to do in this area. We get to subjectively and objectively decide where we at today, right now, in each of these areas and aspects of our life. So for physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, financial, relationships, contribution, communication, and confidence, we're going to rate ourselves on a scale of 1 to 10. And I just do it in my little notebook. I just put the first letter of each word, but for all the C's, I put confidence, communication, and contribution. And then I just say, on a scale of 1 to 10, how do I think, how do I feel, how do I see this area or aspect of my life right now? And then for our action item today, all you have to do is share the one area that you want to work first on. It doesn't have to be, we won't know, it doesn't have to be the most important area or the area you rated the lowest, just the one you want to do first. Me, I personally want to do physical first because I'm feeling kind of like dog doo-doo. But go ahead and do that. I prioritized my ones from yesterday, and I'm not sure if they're the same as last time. Probably not. I don't feel like they are. I know physical wasn't number 1 last time. Actually, I think communication was, and now it's number 7 this time through the challenge. So even for me, doing it repeatedly, they change all the time because I want to focus on different things that are important to me at different times and different periods of my life, my year, etc. So that's it today. It's pretty quick and easy to understand. Any questions, hit me up in the comments below. I will text you back or message you back. Probably not talk because I want to have some voice tomorrow. So have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, hit me up. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow. Go just quickly rate those areas 1 to 10. Again, remember, it's what you think and feel and see in your life right now and how you rate it. Tomorrow you might change your mind, but this is what you're doing today. So I always like to put it in, and I also like to date the page so I know when I actually did this. All right, have a great day, and I'll be with you tomorrow. Bye.